I just bought something from the TikTok shop. It's a 3 LED flashlight. This cost me 300 Philippine pesos or around $6, and I'm skeptical about its quality. Let's see what's inside. The light itself. USB-C cable. But where's the battery? It's here. I have charged the battery before the review. It has onboard USB-C charging though. Very interesting design. It's pretty big for an EDC. This spring is unnecessarily long. It doesn't have a tail cap, sadly. The threads are bone dry, no grease at all. Pretty hard to screw in, and the threads feel like they're grinding. It uses P35 LEDs, which I think are fake Cree XHP35 LEDs. It apparently makes 3,800 lumens. I'm going to see if it's real by comparing it with a true rated 1100 lumen flashlight. It has Type-C charging, which is nice. One click to cycle through modes. Double-click for turbo. I'm going to compare this 3,800 lumen light with my 1100 lumen Sofirn HS10. As you can see, it's a lot smaller, but is it brighter? Let's switch to fixed exposure. Here we are in a fixed exposure of ISO 50. First, the big light. As you can see, it's pretty bright, but again I doubt it's 3,800 lumens. Now the Sofirn HS10, it uses one Samsung LH351D LED. Despite being only 1100 lumens, it's a lot brighter. It even unfocuses my phone. Here's a quick comparison. So why is that? It's because the flashlight uses fake LEDs, and it's marketed as having a high lumen output, even though it doesn't. The light is probably somewhere around 600 to 800 lumens. NOW, let's do a teardown. Nice tear lens. The fake XHP35 LEDs. Here's what a real one looks like. This ring unscrews. I can't get it off with my tweezers, so I'm going to drill holes in the ring. That's a lot better. I can't pull out the driver yet because the LEDs are still soldered on. There we go. There's a concerning lack of thermal paste, which is very vital to a high-power flashlight. This is the driver. I'm guessing it's a linear FET driver. It has a good MPCB. These are the fake XHP35 LEDs. Again, here's what real XHP35 LEDs look like. I'm going to modify the flashlight off camera. Here are the upgrades. I have lubricated the threads with silicone grease. I have applied thermal paste underneath the MPCB. I have replaced the insanely long spring with one from a different flashlight. The tube is a lot easier to screw in now. This flashlight is pretty decent for its price. Even though the lumen claim is fake, it's still a nice flashlight to use. Overall, I would recommend this. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for more content like this.